crispy potato balls. These are cheesy, flavorful, crispy, wonderful, and you can make them with leftover mashed potatoes, which is a common thing in my house. So I've got leftover mashed potatoes. I added an egg, and I'm gonna add some minced parsley, save the rest for a garnish. And then I've got some shredded mozzarella and some Parmesan cheese. Basically, you can add whatever cheeses, whatever herbs and flavors that you like with potatoes. They're basically little potato croquettes is what we're making. So stir this around, and then when it's about halfway stirred together, I'll add a little bit of flour, not too much, probably like 1/4 cup at the most. And then this sort of turns into more of a potato dough, sort of like gnocchi, which is Alex's favorite food in the world.
Gnocchi.
Okay, here's where things get really fun and really messy. So I've got a little dish of water just for kicks, and I'm just going to kind of pat it into the shape of a ball. It's really soft and sticky. And then, here, Alex, can you see this? Put it onto a plate of seasoned breadcrumbs. And as you kind of pat the breadcrumbs in, just keep it formed into the general shape of a ball, okay?
That's one potato ball.
Now I'm gonna make the rest, and then I'm gonna fry them and take them out of the oil. See you on the other side. And then I'll sprinkle on some extra Parmesan and the extra parsley. How good do these look? Out of this world. I'm just gonna take a little bite. Oh, just a little bitty, tiny, crispy piece of it is delicious. Imagine how good they're gonna be when I eat the whole platter. JK. You guys want to dig in?
Yes.